So it's exciting to bring Splitsvilla back to see what Sunny brings to MTV.
चैनल खामखा टीज कर रहा है और उठा रहा है आपके टेम्परेचर को। सच, इस चैनल के एम का सही मतलब है माइंड ब्लोइंग।
डोर खोलोगी तो दिल खोलेगा ना, डैडीज का रिक्शा चलेगा, love me like a baby and other stuff, I'll सिखा दूँ what women love. Gotta say some no when I tell you what women love. Treat me like a body and other stuff, I'll सिखा दूँ what women love. Women love.
Well, this is what women love. Addy?
To see a little bit of what the season has in store, we have a sneak peek specially for you guys, which is going to be what's breaking this Saturday on MTV.
Sunny Leone.
Ye season is all about what women love.
It's a brand new season of love, friendships,
I agree Tarambai. I just love her.
and betrayals.
स्प्लिट्सविला में कनेक्शन होते हैं, उसमें खेलते हैं।
The boys will battle it out for the one thing that matters the most.
ये आप लोगों के लिए लास्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी है टू इम्प्रेस आवर गर्ल्स।
Put your hands together for Run Vijay! Well, Run Vijay, a quick question to you. इस season में आप हैं, ये ही अलग है. After the first season, you're back on the 8th season and we're so excited about it. But tell us what makes season 8 of Splitsvilla different from any other season we've seen so far.
First of all, this is about what women want, the way to a woman's heart. अभी एक रास्ता नहीं है मेरे हिसाब से. If I know anything about women, अगर कोई आदमी ये कहता है कि उनको पता है what women want, he's wrong. He doesn't know it. I don't know if women know what they want. It like 100%.
Here we have Sunny Leone!
Talia, boys, move on.
They wanted to get with two guys like this for a claim to fame. Better feel no shame. Can handle the heat, then you're out of the game. Dil jeetegi to paisa jeetegi. Mushkil hai.
Tell us what made you come back this season to host MTV Splitsvilla yet again.
Well, last year, when this question was asked to me, I grew up watching MTV. Bachpan said, MTV dekh rahi hu. And I've always wanted to be a part of a show like this. I've always wanted to be a part of a brand, part of MTV. And this is like a dream for me. These kids would be crazy. They would be insane. They would be so much fun to watch. Watching their progression from the first day to the very last day.
Okay, I'm sure there are a lot of guys out here who would like to know a little bit of that advice too. Is there any mantra as such that guys need to know, you know, when you're dealing with a woman?
For Splitsvilla, both young, they're all young, they all have their own set of how things should be in life. But as you get older, you notice that you should listen to what a woman wants. Because I'm sure a lot of husbands here will agree, happy wife, happy life.
Actually, I enjoyed Splitsvilla 7 also, and we got some great statistics that Addy just told us, highest viewed and all of that. So I think the kids last time were also great, but this time the lot that we have are amazing.
To our lovely boys, there are celebrity boys that are going to feature on this season of Splitsvilla Season 8.
इसके कुछ उदाहरण आपको इस शो में मिल जाएंगे, right? तो जैसे ही मौका मिलता है, मौका ना भी हो,
तो भी.
देख लेना आप. So
Lovely.
watch out for that.
So that's our first contestant on MTV Splitsvilla Season 8, Prince Narula. Up next, we have Viren Singh Rathod. Put your hands together for him, guys. He recently shot for Man's World magazine and he has won the title at a fashion-based pageant. Well, as you all know, Utkarsh plays the character of Dhruv on MTV's Kaisi Ye Yariyan and he is already loved by a lot of girls. So I'm sure Splitsvilla would have been a cakewalk for this guy. Up next, we have Yash Pandit. Put your hands together for Yash, guys. Yash Pandit is a Bollywood and a television actor. He recently played a lead role in a popular TV show. Let's hear a little bit about Yash, guys.
Yash की journey में actually I'll throw this answer to Sunny because she said a few things a few times about Yash and they're the nicest things. So yeah. Sunny.
As everybody will see when they watch the show, Yashka character he's really quiet and he's never been on a show like this before. He's never experienced some of the things that we've experienced emotionally, physically. And I was always in the Yash corner saying, Yash, I know you can do this. You are a strong person. You're a strong man. And we need you to step up to that. I wanted him to come outside of the shell that he was in.
One of the things that you'll see about Yash during the course of the show is that he has changed from what he was. जिस दिन वो आए थे, वो एक यश थे और जिस दिन वो गए हैं, he was a different man. He changed, and that is one of the most. I have goosebumps when I say this. Moments of this year's season when you realize what happened to you.
All right, that's Yash for you, ladies and gentlemen. Up next, we have Ahmad Mintu. Yes. Ahmad
पहले
was.
we'll have Ahmad तो आ रहा है लेकिन उससे पहले उत्कर्ष mimicking what Ahmad is. एक बार हो जाए mimicry.
All right.
Come
Here
on.
you go.
Ahmad कैसे करता था?
You need a mic for it?
No, it's okay.
Just hand gestures, his body language.
Okay.
तो मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि वो सही था लेकिन तुम ही बोल लो यार.
Well, बहुत ही sweet है. He follows that by बहुत ही sweet है. A little bit about Ahmad. Ahmad was recently seen in the Yep Me TVC with Shah Rukh Khan and has done about 30 different commercials. Let's hear it for Ahmad, guys. Woo! And finally, we have Ishan Chibbar. Yeah, all right. This guy's got swag. He's born in India but is brought up in the United Kingdom. International Desi hai, by the way. जी हाँ. You've modeled in the United Kingdom and done shows in London and Glasgow. That's pretty fantastic, man. How was Splitsvilla 8 for you?
Amazing. One of the best experience of my life.
All right, let's hear it from the host. What do they have to say about him?
Ishan, move on.
Wait. Ishan का मुंह कभी बंद नहीं होता है. He's always like this.
एक ऐसा बंदा जो किसी भी सिचुएशन में he was like मैं यहाँ पे मजे करने आया हूँ, मस्ती करने आया हूँ और मैं मजे कर रहा हूँ. ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस नहीं लिया इसने, बट जब इसका कुछ ऐसा कनेक्शन हुआ, स्ट्रेस तो आता है बेटे.
But जब स्ट्रेस आता था, मुंह बंद होता था.
All right. The only way to keep his mouth shut was when stress arrived. All right.
Okay,
So
before you send them, I want to do one small exercise that Sunny and me did. This is the surprise for Prasanna. She's like, what is he going to do? All right, we're going to play that song, जो इस साल का गाना है. And there's a bit of these steps that me and Sunny have done. All of you have to do that with me. All right, Sunny?
मैं भूल गई steps, but
You don't have to do it. वो चल रहा होगा. We'll tell them what to do. Start it from the beginning. We'll do the first verse. This is for brother, you. Yeah? Let's go.
Boys ready? Yeah, all right. Audience ready? नहीं ready हो? चलो यार. Okay, let's do this.
We'll do it for you.
Okay then. Okay.
There, you. Sunny, you want to do it or you want to sit? I don't remember the steps. You don't have, just have to stand around. All right, fine. Come. This set is doing it for Sunny. That set is doing it for you. Okay, great. All right. Come, we'll open the door. Ready? Let's go.